Let's take a look at one way we might plan out a project using SOLIDWORKS Electrical if we know some of the components we want to order off the bat. So we've got a brand new project here, everything's empty, right? We can take a look at our pages. This is just our template that we talked about in the last blog. But we're going to jump over here to our component tab, and we're just going to start adding components. So the first thing we want to do is just right-click on a location, and we're going to go to New, and we're going to select to add a manufacturer part here to this location. So from here we can look at our library of parts, and I'm just going to look for relay. So there it is. I'm going to add that to my project, and you can see that's going to pop up here on the left in my component tree. So the cool thing about this is that we can get a very early look at our bill of materials, and we're going to be able to use this work again later on when we're drawing our schematics. So we just need a few more components here. I'm going to grab a motor. And actually I meant to put that in a different location, so no problem, we put it in the wrong location. Let's just change it to the motor room. It helps us to organize our project. And let's also add circuit breaker. There it is. We'll add it to our project. So now you can see we've got these components here. And if we look at our reports, we already see that these are available. We can pass this along to our ordering department, and they can go ahead and start ordering things, especially useful for things that have a long lead time. So now it's time to draw our schematics, right? We've already done a little bit of work. We don't want to have to redo that. So the good thing about SOLIDWORKS Electrical is that we don't have to redo any of our work. So I'm just going to draw some wires here, as we would normally do. And we'll just draw off of these wires, a few more wires, right? And now we're going to go to our component tree where we added these. We can actually right-click and just insert symbol. And this is going to pull the correct symbol. So it knows this is a circuit breaker. I can just place that on my page. Right-click, insert symbol. Now this one has multiple symbols. You know, we've got a symbol for the coil and for the contacts, so we're going to insert our contacts here on this page, and we can insert our coil later on. And we want to, of course, insert our motor. It's going to pull our motor symbol. And just like that, we've drawn up our schematic. So planning out our project, saving us time down the line, and it's giving us an early look at our bill of materials.